Hello and welcome back to another lesson. We're going to be looking at another live tune, brilliant tune, Lightning Crashes, and I'm going to show you roughly how I'm getting the tone. It's not bang on, because I don't have the exact pedal used, but it's a bit of fun, adds a bit of flavour to it, which I encourage you to do also. Let's learn this thing. I'm going to teach you this in standard tuning, but if you want to play along with the album, it is tuned down half a step. So just bear that in mind. In terms of tone, I've got a few things going on. I'm using this just for fun, really. I think it uses a Strat, so go single coil if you've got one. Don't worry too much if not. I think I read that the effect used in this is a Rotovibe, but I'm using what I have available, which is a Univibe. So I'm using the Jam Pedals Retrovibe. Wonderful little bit of kit. Okay, so you get that lovely washy tone. I've turned the speed right the way down and I've got the depth about in the middle. So if you've got some other Univibe, then go for those settings. But you do hear a drop in volume, right? So to add a little bit of fullness back in after the Univibe, I've got the Cathal and Epoch boost, right? And so if I take the Univibe off, you can hear the difference with the just the dry signal. Now with the Epoch boost on, just adds a really subtle niceness. So Univibe on its own, and with the Epoch boost, just adds a little something special. And we're also using the cloak for reverb. So let's crack on and learn this thing. I'm going to turn the vibe off for a second, but the rhythm part basically does this. So it's down, whack, down, down, whack, whack. Then change. So you're going to go from an F major to a C sus2, which is basically a C5, but you've got to flatten your first finger on that third fret there, right, and play. With the same rhythm. Okay, and then you go to the G for 2 bars. There is a subtle variation, I'll come to that in a sec, but let's just do the chords. So F. Now, I note on the incidental whack bits, I'm using my right hand for that. Okay. I'm also muting them with my left hand too, right? So squeeze for the first note, and then I use my right hand to mute the strings here, and my left hand, right? Again, I'm using my right hand to palm mute those 2 whacks at the end of the bar, but your hand can spend that time moving to the C shape, right? And again there, right? I'm sorting my fingers out in that last 8th note. Gives you enough time to hit the first beat of the next bar. Don't worry about it too much, it'll just happen naturally, but that's the mechanics of what's going on, right? So let's do the whole thing slowly. I mixed that up a little bit because for the 3rd bar I did this. I let that 2nd chord ring out for 2 beats, and that's the subtle variation. That is it. So nice and simple. One more time with the vibe because it sounds cool. Then the next part, you're going to use the same chords. It just goes into kind of double time feel. So you're going to play. Straightforward, right? So it's 3 and 2 whacks. Then you move to the C. Exactly the same rhythm. And then 8th notes for the G. And the accent is going to be okay on the 2nd and 4th beat. And that again with the univarb, because it sounds cool. Awesome. There's only one other bit. Now one guitar just goes from A minor to G. And again. And then F to G. And the other guitar just plays this. And then back around, okay? So A minor chord for 2 beats, and then you play this. That rhythm. And then you're going to move up here. You could play an E. You could play an E minor 7, but the chord is actually G. I don't think he frets that G there though, on the 10th fret. I think he just does this. This 9, 7 and 8, right, from the D string down. And you've got this hammer on, so you're using your little finger on the B string now to go from the 8th fret to the 10th fret and off again. And then arpeggiate down. And then play the whole chord. So you play that around twice, and then you go to the F. And I think that's the rhythm there actually with the F. And then to the G. And back around. That's it. Let me play again with the vibe. So that is it. Pretty straightforward, right? And lots of fun. So I hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Bye-bye.